Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for maintaining your eye health. Cataracts are a common eye condition characterized by the clouding of the eye's natural lens, leading to a gradual decline in vision. This condition typically develops slowly and can affect one or both eyes, making it difficult to see clearly. Symptoms of cataracts include blurry vision, difficulty seeing at night, sensitivity to light, and seeing halos around lights. While aging is the most common cause, other factors such as diabetes, smoking, and prolonged exposure to sunlight can also contribute to the development of cataracts. But did you know there are natural ways to support your eye health and potentially avoid cataract surgery? Yes, you heard that right. Today we'll be exploring 10 amazing drinks that can help heal your eyes. Let's get started. 1. Carrot juice. First up, we have carrot juice. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is essential for good vision. Drinking carrot juice regularly can help improve your eyesight and reduce the risk of cataracts. Plus, it's delicious. 2. Green tea. Next, let's talk about green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to cataracts, so sipping on green tea daily can be a great preventive measure. 3. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are another superfood for your eyes. They contain high levels of antioxidants and vitamins that support eye health. Blend them into a smoothie with some yogurt and a bit of honey for a tasty and nutritious drink. 4. Spinach juice. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to improve eye health. Drinking spinach juice can help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of cataracts. 5. Orange juice. Oranges are full of vitamin C, which is vital for eye health. Vitamin C helps reduce the risk of cataracts and supports overall eye function. A glass of fresh orange juice in the morning is a great way to start your day. 6. Almond milk. Almond milk is another excellent choice. It's rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the eyes from free radical damage. Regular consumption of almond milk can contribute to healthier eyes. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is not only good for your blood pressure but also your eyes. It's packed with antioxidants and nitrates that improve blood flow, including to the eyes, helping to keep them healthy. 8. Turmeric latte. Turmeric latte have gained popularity for good reason. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help protect your eyes from damage and reduce the risk of cataracts. 9. Goji berry juice. Goji berries are known for their eye health benefits. They are rich in zeaxanthin, which helps protect the retina and reduce the risk of cataracts. Drinking goji berry juice can be a great addition to your diet. 10. Tomato juice. Last but not least, tomato juice. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from light-induced damage. A glass of tomato juice can help maintain healthy vision. These 10 drinks are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your eye health and can help you avoid cataract surgery. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Take care of your eyes, and we'll see you in the next video.